Hey guys! So I'm really excited for this video today because I'm going to be showing you what's coming in my October BoxyCharm. Is it October? Yeah, October. Getting my months mixed up. If you don't know what BoxyCharm is, it is a monthly beauty subscription that you can get either every month, every 6 months, every 3 months. I'm not sure. It's one of those ones you can choose to get. I get mine every month because I get really excited about it, and it comes with I think 5 or 6 pieces of like really cool makeup, like tons of different brands, and I'm going to be showing you my October one today, so I'm very excited to show you. So when you first open the BoxyCharm, it looks like this. BoxyCharm has like little logos for social media and has foam to make sure it stays nice and safe. And the little card. And it usually comes with some kind of coupon. This one is 10% off your next purchase for IT Cosmetics. And on the inside it has this thing that says Alter Ego. And there's like a theme every month, and this is the theme for October, which I think is really cool. I love this type of like design. It just looks fancy and pretty. And then it shows you all the different things and like explains them, tells you like the retail price. Alright, first thing I'm pulling out is a Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. Ooh, I've never used Kat Von D products, so I'm actually really excited for this one. Oh, it's in the shade Vampira. Vampira. Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. Enjoy a smooth, creamy, lightweight liquid lipstick that stays on all day long. The highlight pigmented, vegan, and cruelty-free formula. That's cool. Coats your lips in just one swipe, delivering the color you want and need. It's infused with vitamin E and sunflower seed oil, giving your lips moisturizing comfort they deserve. Ooh, this is pretty. I really like this. So it's got like this cute little, let me focus this for you, if it wants to focus. It doesn't want to focus. That's cool. It has little floral, not engravement, but just a design of silver floral pattern. And it's very dark lipstick, perfect for winter time. Ooh, that's pretty. It's like a, I want to say fuchsia, but I'm not sure if that's right. It reminds me of just like a really pretty like berry tone. I love berry tones, and I've never used Kat Von D, so I'm excited about that too. Alright, second thing I have in here is Dermovia Lace A-Peel with compression technology. It's a little black bamboo charcoal peel-off face mask. Ooh, I've never had a charcoal face mask. The detoxifying charcoal peel paste and lace compression mask, that's a mouthful, offers spa-like extraction results. The naturally blended peel paste in conjunction with the mask grips to the skin, helping to further draw out impurities for a deep decongestion and exfoliation experience. And this is usually $30. This is peel intensity level medium, and it comes with 2 lace masks and a 20 milliliter tube. That's pretty cool. I'm actually really excited for this because, I don't know, it feels nice. It feels like good quality. The next thing I have is by IT, or IT Cosmetics. I really should learn how to pronounce that. Alright, this one is a Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. Wrap your lashes in lengthening, volume boosting, and ultra conditioning formula. The elastic stretch technology and the ultra black tint make for the thickest and most defined lashes ever. Ooh, that's sleek. I like that. It kind of like is curved upward and then it goes whoop, curves outwards. I like it. I like it a lot. Ooh, that's a good wand. I always judge mascaras by their wands because I don't like the curved ones are cool, but some wands just, they're not that great. Like, I really like a good mascara wand, and this is a good mascara wand. Next thing we have is a Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. Oh, made exclusively for BoxyCharm. That's cool. And this is by Pharmacy. I love the Pharmacy brand. It's very nice. This cult favorite makeup... I need a drink. This cult favorite makeup cleansing balm melts away even the boldest of makeup looks. It's powerful enough to remove every last trace of long wear makeup, yet ultra nourishing on your skin, leaving it hydrated and smooth. And this is usually $22. Well, made exclusively for BoxyCharm, so I guess that's just an estimated price. Ooh, it's green! Okay, yeah, it's definitely like a balm. It's not like when you dip it in there and, like, it's weird. So it's definitely more like a balm when you, like, put your finger in it. Nothing really comes off except, like, a little film, which I like because, I don't know, I feel like a balm is fancier. It's, I don't know. I'm excited. I've never had a balm before. Gently massage onto dry skin for eye makeup removal. Apply with closed eyes. Rinse with warm water. Wipe off with damp washcloth. Alright, so pretty basic. I like that. And it's got little flowers on the side. How cute. We've got one more thing in here. It looks like a palette. Alright, this one is Pure or Purr. I'm not actually sure how you say it. It's got like two little dots over the U. This is what it looks like. It's a little face palette. Ooh, it's very pretty. I'm trying to angle it so you can see all the prettiness. There we go. Very pretty. Midnight Masquerade palette. This 10-piece face palette. This 10-piece face palette will take any look from natural and innocent to sultry and mysterious. This limited edition palette, This limited edition palette is arranged with highly pigmented and buildable shades that blend effortlessly into the face and eyelid for a look you'll totally adore. Making a bold statement has never been easier, with 4 shimmery face powders and 6 buttery eyeshadows that complement all skin tones and eye colors. I've never heard eyeshadow described as buttery. Interesting. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look how pretty that is. Look how shimmery. Oh. I'm really excited for this, like, these 2 shades right here. Like the 2 dark shades, because it's about to be like winter and fall and stuff, and technically it is fall, but I live in South Carolina, so it's still 90 degrees, but I'm gonna use them anyways because it's technically fall. Alright guys, that is in the BoxyCharm box this month. I really hope you enjoyed seeing all the really cool products. I got a lot of, like, different products. I usually get a lot of eye products, but this time I got like a good mix, which is actually really cool. It kind of breaks it up. I really hope you enjoyed it. Tell me what your favorite product that I showed today was. Mine was this one because it's just very pretty. Or this one because I'm very excited because it comes in a little tube and a like lace. Is it lace? Yeah, lace mask. And I think a lace mask sounds really interesting. Let me know what your favorite thing was, and I will see you guys next week. Remember to like, comment, subscribe if you want to see more, all that good stuff. Bye!